Hey, hi friends, very good morning and happy Friday. Welcome to day 6 free digital marketing internship training program conducting by 360DigiTMG. And in today's session, we'll be discussing about forum submissions and profile creation submissions. Okay, and let us quickly recap of day 5, that is yesterday's session. In yesterday's session, we have discussed about the social bookmarking submissions, how to do social bookmarking, and what are the types of sites we need to select, and what are the metric we need to check before submitting our social bookmarking submission. Okay, and how can we add the keyword, and also while creating the social bookmarking website submission, we need to add keyword as a username. Okay, by doing that, okay, so Google will, that particular site will improve the relevancy to our website and will get backlink to 360 digit MG targeted URL. Okay, and we have seen image submissions also by using some website we have taken, right? AMG Guru. Okay, in that we have updated description and also title also we have given, and we mentioned all those submitted links in our tracker. Okay, that is Word document. Okay, so while updating images, we need to update optimized and high quality images. Okay, so in image submissions, for images we need to give file name as targeted keyword and also description, and in title also we need to have one targeted keyword. And also we didn't submitted video submissions yesterday. Okay, in future videos, if we get relevant video from internal team, I'll show you how to do video submissions as well. Okay, so while submitting the video submissions, we need to have proper keywords, and we need to mention our targeted URL in the description. Okay, and in today's session, we'll quickly discuss about forum submissions and what is the process. First of all, what do you mean by forum? What do you mean by forum submissions? You might have seen like Quora, okay, and Medium. All these websites are forum submissions, guys. Okay, it's a engaging with the real users, that is called user generated content. They'll be having few doubts. Okay, we can answer with the relevant answers. While answering with the relevant answers, we need to mention hyperlinks. Okay, by mentioning hyperlinks, then Google also will consider it as a okay, these guys are engaging with the customers. Okay, that is called UGC, user generated content. Okay, few tools like HREF and SEMrush, SEMrush. Okay, in those websites, Google will, in those website, it will show you as you got 5 or 5 to 10 UGC links. Okay, Google will give more importance to UGC content. What do you mean by UGC? User generated content. Okay, so when it comes to forum submissions, posting content in online discussion platforms to drive engagement and to get backlinks to our website. Okay, what are the steps in forum submissions? So first one is we need to find the relevant forums. Okay, so what is our targeted keyword? Our targeted keywords are data science, ideas for data projects, for project ideas for data science, right? So for project ideas for data science, that is a targeted keyword. For that targeted keyword, we need to find relevant forum sites. Okay, by finding relevant forum sites, we need to submit our backlinks. Okay, Google will consider relevancy factor. Okay, that is called tier 1 submissions. Okay, so if there is no relevancy, then that comes under tier 2 category. I mean, tier 2 submission. You will see, lot of mixed backlinks and low quality backlinks. Those are all tier 3 backlinks. We need to build like a pyramid. Okay, and we need to focus more on tier 1 to get higher rankings on SERP, that is search engine results page. Okay, so by using few search operators, we need to find out relevant forums. Clear, friends? And also we need to create the account. After finding the relevant forum links, we need to find out, we need to create the account, register, and we need to complete the profile. While creating the account, you need to mention targeted keyword. Okay, so after creating the account, we need to answer. We should engage with the users. Okay, and we need to provide valuable insights. Okay, so after providing valuable insights, just take, just mention our hyperlink. Okay, so what type of questions we can mention and what type of questions we can post in forum websites. Okay, so when it comes to keyword, this is the keyword data analytics jobs in Bangalore. That is the main targeted keyword. And when it comes to questionnaires, what are the best data analytics job opportunities in Bangalore for freshers and experienced professionals? This is the question as a user we can post in the forum submission. Okay, so after 1 2 hours you can post the answer as well. Okay, so this is the answer just for reference purpose we have mentioned in this PPT. Okay, so where is the targeted keyword in this answer? Okay, so here is the targeted keyword in this answer, data analytics job opportunities. Okay, what is our targeted keyword? Data analytics jobs in Bangalore. Okay, so we can link our hyperlink to this keyword data analytics job. Okay, and what is our targeted URL? This is the targeted URL. Okay, so and when it comes to forum submissions, what are the steps we need to follow? First of all, what do you mean by forum submissions? Posting content in online discussion platforms to drive engagement and backlinks. Okay, what are the steps we need to follow? First, first step is we need to find the relevant forum links and create the account with targeted keyword and engage in the discussion. Okay, so you can also answer previous posted questions. Clear, friends? And for for example, if you can ask one question like what are the best data analytics job opportunities in Bangalore for freshers and experience, that question you can post it in Quora and other relevant platforms. I'll show you, okay, what are the relevant platforms we can consider. Okay, and before considering, what are the parameters we need to check in the domain. Okay, so as we discussed, we need to focus more on tier 1, that is pyramid size. In pyramid size, we need to focus on top level submissions. Okay, and that is forum submissions. And when it comes to profile creations, profile submissions are different, forums are different, and profiles are different. Okay, so what do you mean by profile creations? Creating profiles on high domain websites for branding and to increase SEO rankings. Okay, so if you see, so when it comes to social media profile creations, You'll be having, you can create, your own profile in Facebook, Instagram, and also LinkedIn. Okay, in those profile websites, you can mention, the website URL, right? And also you can put all the NAP details, name, address, phone number. Okay, so by doing that, you will get few authority from profile submissions, that is page authority. Page authority will pass to our particular URL. What is the main parameter of Google algorithm? PA, page authority. If you have more page authority, you will see higher rankings. If you have less page authority, you will see lower rankings. Right, friends? Again, it depends on demand and competition. What are the steps for profile submissions? What are the steps? Similarly, like in previous slide, we have seen, forum submissions, right? In the same way, for profile submissions also, there are few steps that we need to follow. Okay, we need to find out trusted platforms. Okay, so what are those trusted platforms like Crunchbase, About.me, Behance, AngelList? All these are all trusted websites, guys. Okay, so we need to find out relevant and trusted profile creation websites, and we need to create the account. Okay, so before creating the account, we need to have all the details like keyword, description, URL. Okay, with all these details, let us create profile accounts. Okay, so for this, what is our targeted keyword? Data analytics jobs in Bangalore. Okay, and before making it live, you need to mention it as, you'll be having two options, private or public, and active. You need to select public. Okay, by selecting public, Google will index those backlinks. Google will index those profile submissions. Okay, just an example, you can type my name Subramaniam, digital marketer. Okay, see, Subramaniam, digital marketer. There is my profile, I mean LinkedIn profile. Okay, because I made it public, right? So that's why Google has crawled my profile. Clear, friends? That is, it will improve your SEO and branding. That is very, very important, friends. Okay. So if anyone didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 360DigiTMG, and also follow the Instagram page, LinkedIn page, and Facebook page. And also on daily basis, we'll be tracking your attendance. Okay, right, friends? And in social media, yes, whenever while creating the profile creations, we need to add our social media links to those platforms. Okay, so what are those social media platforms? We can consider it as Twitter and YouTube, LinkedIn, okay, Instagram. In all these websites, you can create your profiles and you can make it public. Google will index all those social media backlinks, social media profile accounts. Then you will see the branding, right, friends? And before adding, after selecting the profile creations, we need to add relevant tags. Okay, I told you, right? Keywords and tags both are same. Okay, why use keywords as tags? It will helps improve discoverability and search rankings. Okay, and it will improve the relevancy factor of those particular website. Okay, so how to add tags effectively? So we can use our targeted keyword as a consider targeted keyword as a primary keyword, and we can mention in our title tag or description or as a alt text or as a hyperlink. Okay, and we need to maintain the consistency across all the platforms. Clear, friends? If you are not, maintaining consistency, then we will lose that momentum in rankings. We will see lot of fluctuations. Okay, so these are the topics that we have discussed today. Now let us implement. Okay, implementation is very very important, right? Let us implement all these forum submissions and profile submissions. Okay, before that, what we have to do? We have to list out our details. Okay, so for forum submissions, these are the keywords and answer. Clear, friends? And we need to have we need to take relevant submissions. Okay, so let me open any one forum. So let us take, let's see whether this link will open or not. Yeah, so this is one forum submission. Is this relevant to our business? We need to cross check that, right? Okay, so we need to do some exercise here whether this is relevant or not. Okay, and instead of doing all research, let us take one Quora website. Okay, so let me create the account quickly. So I'll create the account with my official mail ID. Okay, so now what are the details we need to submit? What is our targeted keyword? Data analytics jobs in Bangalore. This is the keyword, right? Okay. When you open Quora, you just need to search for search box. Okay. In this search box, just post the hyper targeted keyword. Okay. By posting the targeted keyword, you will see lot of post. Okay. Lot of post. In this lot of post, what we need to do? We need to identify all these are relevant only, right? See, this Quora is highlighting our keywords, targeted keywords in the questions. Right, friends? Okay, so if you see few questions, what are the ways you can search for a job in data analytics in Bangalore? Okay, so if you take this question, they have posted by some name Raghavendra. Okay, so 7 years back he has posted one question. Now we can post our answer for this particular question. Okay, so what is the answer we can post? In forum submission, you can also attach visuals. What do you mean by visuals? Visuals like images or videos. See, someone posted one visual kind of image. Okay, so here also someone posted visual kind of image. This is also a visual kind of image. Right, friends? For this question, we can post our answers. By posting our answers, Google will index that particular hyperlink. Okay, then Google will consider, okay, you 360 digit MG got one forum backlink. Right, friends? After posting, you just need to take the live link. Okay, now let us copy this answer. Now we are getting what is this? You cannot write an answer. Okay, so this is a interesting thing, right? Okay, so I guess I have logged in from my official ID, right? So there's the reason it is not showing the, it is not allowing me to create the, write the answer. Okay, so we can create with personal mail IDs and we can post our answers. Sometimes what these forum sites will do, they will log the questions. No one can answer those questions. Okay, that is also one parameter that we need to consider, friends. Okay, for as of now I'm not submitting any answer in this Quora. Okay, you can try. We will give you the assignments and you can try. Just simple. Go to Quora, search for that particular targeted keyword and open any question and you will see the answer. Write an answer for this question. Okay, just click on that and post the answer. While posting the answer, just link the keyword to hyperlink. Right, friends? And also we can also run Quora ads. See, sponsored by Amazon Web Services. This is a Quora ad, right? This is also one observation. Okay. Just what is the observation for today? So this is a Quora ad, right? Now let us take the screenshot. See, people are engaging for this Quora ad. Okay. And put the screenshot in the document. Okay. Above screenshot is Quora ads. And you can suggest us, okay, let us run the Quora ads. Right, friends? Okay, any doubts? You can put it in the chat box. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. So this is Quora submission. That is one forum submissions. And we'll take one more. We'll go to profile creations. Okay. So before going to profile creations, we need to list out the relevant submissions. I mean relevant websites. See, I have taken one website that is openlearning.com. Okay, open and learning. So what is our nature of website? Our nature of website is into education sector, right? So people can learn, students can learn, working professionals can learn, right? So Google will consider that relevancy factor. Here in domain, learn is there, learning. So this website is completely 100% relevance website. Okay, friends. So this submission is done by one of our team member. Okay, let me log into the website. Sign up with Google. So start learning. Please check your credentials. Not sure why it is not allowing. Okay, let us take one more example. Yeah, I'll show you. We'll come to that open learning. Okay, it's not allowing to submit the create the account because of official ID. We'll create uh, new Gmail ID. Okay, and I'll show you how we can create the forum submission. Yeah, when it comes to one more, I've taken one more example, friends. It's 7cups.com. This is one website. I told you, right? So we need to focus more on tier 1 submission. More on tier 1 submission. We can also take consideration into tier 2 and tier 3. So this website is completely into a different sector. Okay. So they will give the therapy and all. So but when it comes to our nature of business, it's training, right? Okay, will provide training to the students and working professionals. In this case, we can submit the details, but it will consider it as a tier 2 or tier 3 website. See here we have given one hyperlink. Okay, so Google will consider all the mix and match of websites, and it will consider all the mix and match of links, submission links. Okay, so in this case, this is a tier 2 or tier 3 submissions, but we need to focus more on these kind of websites. Okay, see, one of our team member created an account and he has created profile submission. Okay, see, he has given targeted keyword data scientist. Okay, so that is a profile name that one of our team member created. And also in about section he has mentioned description. Okay, so description, and after that, so there are few types of linking methods. Okay, one is hyperlink method and one more is branded keyword linking. Okay, what do you mean by branded? Whenever you link the hyperlink, you can link it to our brand keyword. What is our brand? 360DigiTMG. For that brand, you can give a hyperlink. That is a branded keywords. If you are linking more and more and more and brand keywords, then you will see over the period of time like 3 4 years, you will see more and more value to that particular brand. You will see lot of direct traffic. Okay, so that is the one way of increasing direct traffic to any website. Okay, and that brand will go to search SERP Google's search page. Okay, if you type 3360, straight away it will give you the 360 digit mg. Okay, are you looking for 360 digit mg? Because we have improved, we have given lot of hyperlinks to brand keyword, right friends? In this case we have given naked link. Okay, few tools like SEMrush, Ahref. Okay, so these tools will consider all these parameters. How many brand keywords you have and how many naked links you have submitted. Okay, how many exact match keyword you have submitted. Okay, so in this case, best data scientist course in Hyderabad, this is the exact match keyword. Let's see where we are ranking. Okay, so these are all ads. So where are we ranking? Second position. See the magic of linking to the website. See the magic of profile creations. Right, friends? Okay, and we have given, in this case we have given naked link. This is a naked link. Whenever you submit naked link, just before submitting before posting any naked link, just try to open whether that particular URL is opening or not. Sometimes what will happen, so you will see 404 error because few sites they will have limitation to the URL submission. Okay, they will allow until Hyderabad. If they allow until Hyderabad, let us open until Hyderabad. Okay, what will happen? It will throw you an 404 error, right? For this 404 error, user will bounce back. You will see lot of bounce rate, and you will see few errors in Google Search Console. Like you have these many 404 errors. You need to fix all those links. Again, we need to do reverse SEO method. Okay. Reverse engineering SEO method we need to follow. And we need to fix all those links. Okay. So, and after fixing also, few times, sometimes we can fix by logging to the submissions. And sometimes what we can do is we can give 301 redirection to this particular relevant link. Okay, either you can give it to relevant link or you can give it to main domain, that is home page. Okay, so clear friends, these are the types, few types of keyword we have discussed. One is branded keywords and one more is naked URL submissions. Okay, on daily basis you need to submit few branded keyword links. Okay, like 360 digit MG data science jobs or data analytics jobs, we will give you the keywords. And for few submissions on daily basis, you need to mention naked links. You need to post naked links in relevant forum submissions and profile creations and blog commenting. Okay, and in video submissions, about blog commenting and all video submissions we will discuss in future sessions. Okay, and we also have discussed exact match. Okay, exact match, exact match keyword submissions. Okay, in previous sessions we discussed, right, do follow no follow links. In the same way we need to have mix and match of these submissions, branded keyword submissions, naked URL submissions and exact match keyword submissions. All these things we need to follow, friends. Okay, on daily basis you should not focus only on exact match keyword, and you should not submit exact match keyword submissions, and you should not do branded keyword submissions, and you should not post naked link submissions. With all the with all the categories of these keyword submissions, okay, we need to follow some ratio, right? Okay, like 20% you can focus on branded keywords on daily basis. Okay, and 20% you can focus on naked links, and 20% you can focus on exact match links, right friends? And sometimes for few submission you can also shorten the link. Okay, what do you mean by shorten the link? There are a lot of tools available like cutly.com. Okay, shorten shorten URLs. What are the shorten URLs tools? Okay, what are the shorten URLs tools? One is Cutly. Okay, and Bitly. Okay, Cutly, Bitly, Shortly. Okay, so these are the shorten URLs tools. Okay, you can create one free account and you can shorten our you know URL, targeted URL. We can shorten this targeted URL and we can post it in the submissions like forum profile. All these submissions we can do, right friends? But try to avoid shorten links because these are all paid tools. For paid tools, it won't be having any expiry date. For free tools, it will have expiry date. Okay. So after indexification, I mean after indexing the backlink, you will see the after few days like 30, 90, okay, or 120 days, you will see the broken link or you will lose that backlink. Okay, so automatically that particular link won't show in that particular backlink website. Right, friends? Okay, so more we need to focus on tier 1 submissions. Okay, and we can also focus on tier 2 and tier 3, but we need to focus more on tier 1, that too high DA websites, high domain authority websites. Clear, friends? Any questions? You can post it in the chat window. Okay. Now, let us analyze few social media links. Okay. Now, let us open our website. It's 360DigiTMG and open our YouTube channel. Okay. See, this is our YouTube channel, right? Okay. You will see the option subscribe. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, and see, this is also one profile creations, friends. Okay, when you click on YouTube, okay, when you click on more here, see, we have submitted all our website link is there, Facebook link is there, Twitter link is there, LinkedIn is there, Instagram, WhatsApp. By the way, you can also join our WhatsApp channel link. Okay, just join the WhatsApp channel link, and Instagram channel is also there. You will get lot of free stuff. Okay, you can also join to the Telegram channel. Okay, so in this way we can post all the links, all the social media links. Okay, user may click on this particular website and he will land land it on our website. Okay, when you click on this website link, see, it is redirecting to 360DigiTMG. Okay, so this is a direct traffic. Okay, when we discuss about the traffic metrics, okay, we'll discuss about what do you mean by direct, what do you mean by social organic, what do you mean by paid social, and what do you mean by organic social. Okay, and organic traffic, all these things we'll discuss, friends. Okay, and people can also explore our Instagram page by clicking on more. See, all these are all social media profile accounts. In the same way, we can create. If you are focusing more on branding, yes, you can create one account for your branding purpose. Okay, so this is YouTube. Okay, in the same way, let us click on LinkedIn. Okay, so when you click on LinkedIn, see, when you clicked on LinkedIn, these are the details. See, website link is there, and Google will consider, okay, so you need to give one social media backlink to 360DigiTMG. Right, friends? I told you, right? NAP, name, address, phone number. These three things are very, very important. See, in locations, we have mentioned get directions. When you click on get directions, it will directly route to Bing Maps. Okay, see the Bing Maps. Okay, so just click on Bing. Okay, it will give you, it will open Bing search engine. This is a Bing search engine, right? We can just type data science course in Hyderabad. Just an example, friend. Data science course in Hyderabad. Now let us find out maps here. Let's see whether our listing is opening or not. Where is our listing? No, for this keyword, we are not getting rankings. Okay, now this is also one observation. Okay, we can focus on the big maps. Okay, just make a note of the observation. Okay, in big maps, data science course in Hyderabad keyword is not ranking. Okay, now we can inform to our internal SEO department. Okay, saying that we need to focus on Bing maps because nowadays Bing is few, market share is increasing on daily basis for Bing. Okay, so when it comes to Madhapur address, yes, this is also one get directions we have mentioned. Right, friends? Okay, if you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. I'll clarify your doubts. Clear, friends? Any doubts? I think. Uh, yeah, let us recap the session. What did we discuss today? So, in today's session, we have discussed about forum submissions and we have discussed about profile creation submissions and what are the observations. When it comes to observation, we can also run Quora ads. Okay, see, in Quora ads, people are engaging, right? People are upvoting. Okay, you can see the count here 528. People are upvoting means people are engaging with the questions, right, friends? And also, we have discussed about branded keywords and naked URL submissions and exact match keywords. Okay, with all these things, we need to work on daily basis, like with some percentage, like 20% branded, 20% naked, 20% exact match. Okay, and also we have discussed about shortened links. What are those shortened links? Cutly, bitly, shortly. Okay, so these are the shortened website links. Okay, in few cases we need to avoid these shortened links. Why? Because it will have expiry date. Okay, if you have paid websites, yes, that's fine. But if you have free website, if you are using free website, free account, then that's a challenging part. In that case, we can avoid the shorten links. And also, what is the one more observation? In Bing Maps, we are not ranking for the searched keywords. It's data science course in Hyderabad. We can focus on Bing Maps now and will inform to our internal team. Okay, so now they will focus on the Bing Maps. And also, we discussed about the social media links. Okay, so when it comes to, yeah, in tomorrow's session, we'll discuss about the few more submission categories. And for today's session, you will get task. And also, I guess you might have received email, right, from 360DigiTMG saying that we have created LMS Access Learning Management System. Okay, in that learning management system, you can access all your task day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay, after finishing your day 1, just submit the assignment, just submit the task in LMS itself. No need to send an email. Okay, friends. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow, same time. It's 8 o'clock. Okay, so we'll discuss more, categories tomorrow. Thank you, friends. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.